Hello everyone and welcome back to Easy Tricks app. In this video, I will show you that how you can add text in Midjourney. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So here is the prompt that you can use to add text in your Midjourney images. So I will just copy this and let's paste it right here. So you can see the word hello here. You can just change it to whatever word you want Midjourney to add into your image. And after that you can see the font that I want it to use for this. Here I have written Nexa bold fonts. You can just change it to whatever font that you want. Let's suppose I want here Times New Roman. And after you have chosen your word and font, just complete just make sure your prompt looks like this and then hit the enter key. Oops, sorry, I just forgot to add the imagine command. Let's just paste it right here in the imagine command and press the enter key again. Here you can see now Midjourney is generating the image for me, and let's see what are the results. And here you can see the Midjourney has added the word here. It is not quite good, but it is somehow workable. So that's how you can add text in Midjourney. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.